Welcome to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about PET model, program evaluation review technique. This question is taken from Bharatiya University MBA April 19th 10 mark question. This is the question. A project has the following activities and other characteristics. So here first column activity, second column preceding activity, that means previous activity, and third one three different types of time intervals. For example, for first activity there is no previous activity and it will take minimum of 4 weeks and maximum of 16 weeks, and normally it will take 7 weeks. And same way there are A, B, C, D up to I activities. For D is a previous one, for C is a previous one, for E C is a previous one, and so on. So the question is, question number 1, draw the network and identify the critical path. So first of all we have to draw the network and identify the best path. And second one, prepare the activity schedule for the project. Prepare the activity schedule means which are the activities we have to format. And third one, find the probability that the project is completed in 36 weeks. So what is the chance of to finish this project within 36 weeks? And fourth one, what is the chance to finish this project within completed in 40 weeks? So this is the problem. So first of all we have to draw the network diagram. So step number 1, draw the network diagram, and step number 2, find the critical path, and step number 3, find the total duration, and step number 4, to find the probability value. These are the 4 steps. So step number 1, based on these values, based on this activity, first we have to draw the critical path. Okay. First of all, how to draw the network. Okay. First one, activity number 1, that is A. So what is the previous activity? There is no previous activity. So this is called A. This is called A. And second one, B. Previous activity? No. So this is B. So this is called node. This is activity. So combination of two nodes is called one activity. That is, we can put a name A. So this is B. There is no previous activity, so we can start from here. And third one, A to C. A to C. So this is A. After A, we can start C. So this is C. Okay. So we draw this one and this one. We all draw this one. Okay. Now after C, which activity started? Where is C? Here. After C, E is started. So after C, E is started. Here. After E, which activity started? Where is E? Okay, here. This is previous one. This is next one. That is current one. So after E, H started. So after E, H started. After E, H started. Okay. After H, no more activity, so we can stop now. Okay. What is the next one? After A, D started. After A, D started. Okay. So these are over. After D, F started. After D, F started. After D, F started. But now listen. After F, H started. Okay. So here D is there. D is there. So after D, F started. After D, F started. After F, H started. After F, H started. So we are adding these two activity. After finishing these two activity, H started. So after finishing these two activity, H started. So what are the balance one? B. B to G. B to G. Okay, and G to I. This is the last one. There is no extra activities. So this is the last one. That is called I. That is called I. We can finish here. So when you are taking your diagram, only one starting point, only one ending. So this is the last one, G to I. So after G, I, so this I ended here. Clear? Now we can put the numbering. For our reference, we can put the numbering 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we got our network diagram. Now I formulate one table like this. Here, first one activity, and second one original activity, and third one, these are the values given in your question paper, T0, Tm, Tp, and we are finding the duration, original duration based on this formula. So for finding a original duration, D equal to A plus 4m plus B by 6. This is the formula to find our duration. So what is A, what is m, what is B? So here the minimum value is A and the maximum value is B and the midterm is m. So minimum value A and maximum value B and middle term is m. So now this is the diagram. This is the network diagram. So what is one? What is the first one? Where is A? Here. What is the node values? 1 and 2. 1 to 2. So this is the node value of A. So here 1 to 2. Where is B? Same way. B 1 to 3. So 1 to 3. And third C 2 to 4. 2 to and 4. D 2 to 5. 2 to 5. And E 4 to 6. 4 to 6. And F 5 to 6. 5 to 6. And G 3 to 7. 3 to 7. And H 6 to 8. 6 to 8. And I 7 to 8. And 7 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. So we formulate all the activities. Clear? So now these are the values given in the question paper: 4, 7, 16, 5, 1, 5, 15, 6, 12, 30. This is the value. These are the values given in your question paper. Now we are finding the original duration value by using this formula: A plus 4m plus b by c. 6. This is 6. Where A equal to the minimum value, because this is minimum week, so maximum week, this is normal week. So minimum value is A and B is a maximum value. These are the maximum values and M is a middle value. Okay. So what is the formula? A plus 4M plus B by C. What is A? 4 plus 4 into 7 M, then B equal to 16 by 6. Second one, 1 plus 4 into 5 plus 15 by 6. And third one, 6 plus 4 into 12 plus 30 by 6. 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 8 by 6. Same way we formulate all the values by using this formula. So what is the first value? 4 plus 4 into 7 plus 16 by 6 equal to maybe 48 by 6, that is 8. So first value 8 and second value, that is 36 by 6 equal to 6, and third one 84 by 6 equal to 4. Same way I am finding these values is nothing but 5, 11, 7, 11, 4, 18, 4 and 18, and this is the original duration of each activity. So now for first one 1 to 2, that is A, the original duration is 8. So for A the original duration is 8. For A the original duration is 8. And same way for B the original duration is 6. And third one, for C the original duration is 1/4, that is 14. For C 14. And for D is 5. For D is 5. And for E 11. For E 11. And for F it is 7. And for F it is 7. Okay. And for G it is also 11. And for H it is 4. And last one, for I it is 18. Okay. So now we found the original duration of each activity. So based on this we are going to find the total duration and the critical path. So how to find the total duration and critical path? So for finding total duration, to find the total duration and critical path, we have to find two different values: forward pass value and backward pass value. Forward pass value is represented by square and backward pass value is represented by the triangle. And forward pass value, you must start the process from minimum, that is left hand side to right hand side, that is starting point to ending point, that is starting point to ending point. But in backward pass value, you have to start from ending point to and starting point. That is, this is left to right and this is right to left. And the forward pass value, you have to add each value, and backward pass, for finding backward pass value, you have to subtract the value. How to do the forward and backward now? So this square is represented as a forward value. You have to find the forward and backward value for each node. So this is backward value. Okay. So this is nothing but the duration, that is week. So now we are starting first day, first week, that is 0. Okay. For finishing this first activity A, we need 8 weeks. So we have to add, we mention in square, we have to start from left to right, that is starting to ending point. So here we have started. For first one, we put 0 because there is no more work done. Now we start our process. So here 0. So now to finish this activity, we need 8 weeks. So previous one 0, current one 8. So 0 plus 8, 8. Okay. So first one over, second one over. Now third one. For third one, what is the previous one? Previous duration 0 and current duration 6. So 0 plus 6, 6. And fourth one. For fourth one, previous value 8, current value 14, previous value 8, current value 14. So 8 plus 14, 22. Fourth one over. Now fifth one. For fifth one, previous value 8, current value 5. So 8 plus 5, 13. Same way. For sixth one, two previous values. Here 22 and 13. Okay. So here 22 plus 11, 13 plus 7. So we have two different previous values. So we have to pick a maximum value. We have to pick the maximum value. So 22 plus 11, 22 plus 11 is one value. 13 plus 7 is another value. So the maximum value is maybe 33. Okay, because 22 plus 7, 33. 13 plus 7 as almost 20. So maximum value 33. We have to pick a maximum value. Okay, sixth one over. Now seventh one. Previous value 6, current value 11. So 17. 6 plus 11, 17. Now final one. For eighth one, here also two previous values 33 and 17. Current value 4 and 18. So 33 plus 4, 17 plus 18. So maximum value 37. That is 33 plus 4, 17 plus 18. So we pick a maximum value. So 37. So these are the forward pass values. Now to forward pass value is over. Now backward pass value. So backward pass value is mentioned in triangle. We have to start right to left, that is ending point to starting point, and we have to subtract the values. Okay. Now we can start from right hand side. So here the total duration is 37. So we can take it as 37. Okay. Now we have to subtract value. So this is next value. next value 37 and current value 4. So 37 minus 4, 33. Same way, 8th one over 6th one, 7th one. 37 minus 18, here 19. And 7th one over 6th one over 5th one. Here next value, that is previous next value 33, not this 33. We are finding now backward pass values. So backward pass value 33 and this current value is 7. So 33 minus 7 is 26. And 5th one over, now 4th one. Next value, that is next value 33 and current value 11. 33 minus 11 is 22. And here third one, next value, that is 19 minus 11 is 8. Okay, here there are two next values, 22 and 26. So we have to pick a minimum value. That is opposite process of forward pass value. For forward pass value we have to pick a maximum value. For backward pass value we have to pick a minimum value. So 22 minus 14, 13 minus, whether it is 22 minus 14 is one value, 13 minus 5 is another value. We have to pick a minimum value. So minimum value equal to 8. And last one, here also two values. So here 8 minus 6, 2. Here 8 minus 8, 0. So minimum value 0. So we found all the forward pass and backward pass values for each node. Now you check the forward and backward pass values. Here these two are equal. Here not equal, equal, not equal, 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 not equal, and here equal. Now we can connect all the equal values. Here equal, here not equal. So here equal, equal values, equal values. So what is the path? 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. So this is the path value. What is the duration? 8, 1 to 2, 8, 2 to 4, 14, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 11, and 6 to 8 is 4. Okay, so now these are the durations. We have to add all the duration. We can get the total is 37 weeks. So this is called critical path, and this is your total duration.